Hello friends, in this video we will see how to smooth the graph and how to export the graph. For general paper publication, exporting, because we want a high DPI image, so we want to export it. So in this video I will tell you how to smooth the graph and how to export the graph. Why smoothing is required? During your research paper study you have seen that very attractive graphs are given by the other researchers. So we get the same raw data, okay, XRD, FTIR, Raman, we get the same raw data, but by changing its property, by changing its line width, by changing its color, by changing its DPI, we make the image attractive according to your requirement, whatever your requirement. According to the general, suppose some generals wants very small images, so during exporting you can change the size of image. After exporting you can take your graph to PowerPoint and you can again change your size, contrast and brightness. So let's start doing this. It's dropped already, so rest of the things I will delete. We want only the data, so just select it and delete it. So we don't want this, and just delete it. So this is our data, and we can write angle here. So angle, you can write here 2 theta, because theta is the unit. We can put the symbol also, so we will just go to the symbol map, and we will put the theta here. Yeah, here it is. So just insert it and close it. Log name is angle, we can put angle. You can change the detail later also. Here AU, auxiliary unit, so here we will put the auxiliary unit, A dot U. Intensity, okay. Now we will select it, and we will you can plot from here. You can go for the line, so you can plot. You can also plot from here, this point. You can directly click here and you will directly get the plot. So this is our plot. We can see a very thick line here. We can see a very thick line here. So we will smooth it. So just go to the analysis. First select this. Okay, select this. Just click here on the line of the graph. Now go to the signal processing. You can see smooth. Okay, now just click open dialog. Here you can see it is the dialog box is open. Here you can change this first option. Now this is 5, so if you want a very fine line, so you can make it 8, and okay, just okay. Now you can see a red line is showing, so just double click on this red line. Yeah, so this window will be open. Now just deselect this first one, layer 1, and you can check apply. You can see now your graph has been smoothened. The thick portion, the zigzag lines has been removed. Okay, now we will make this graph as per general requirement. So here you can see, so just select this one and click here. So it is -10, so we will make it to 0, and no need to go to the 100. Normally all the generals use till 80, so we will also use 80 and apply it. You can see we don't want these minor ticks also, so we will remove it and apply it. Similar way we will do for y-axis. So here it is -500, so we can make it to 0, and it is going to 6000. So if you want to make it to 6000, that is okay, or you can make it to 5500. It depends on you. Apply and okay. So your graph looks, here we need to remove the minor tick also, so we remove it. Okay, Now for making it as per general requirements, just go title and format. Okay, so these are the options: left, right, top, bottom. So no top line is there, so we will select the top one and we will click here. So axis and text, it is showing out, so we will make it none and apply it. Now line has come, you can see here this line has come. Now we will do it for right portion. So axis and tick, none is already selected, so apply it. Now your graph is ready. Okay, so we can put it here also. Okay, we will modify this one. So here the text is given to you, x-axis. So if you want to select it, so you can just control A, and here you can change the font, that is 28 and bold. Now okay, we will change this one also, because normally in generals we give very small pictures, so it should be a big font. Similar way we will do it for y-axis, that is 26. I'm using the standard one, you can change, it depends on you, that is 26 and bold. So here you can see. Now if you want to make this line a thick line, so you can change it from here. This is solid, yeah, this is 0.5, so you can make it to 3. Now your graph is looking good. If you want to change the color, so here you can change the color, whatever color you want to pick, but I think red is looks good. Red look, yeah. Now we will change this one, so we will double click on it. Just select this box, you can right click on it and go to the properties. Here 3 lines are showing, so suppose this is the XRD spectra of Geo, so we will remove all these one and we will put only XRD. Of Geo. You can see here, if you want to remove this border, so you can again go to the properties, and here see it is showing black line, we will remove none. Okay, and we will also make it 26 and bold. Control A and make it bold. So now your graph is ready for the submission for the general. Now I will tell you how to export this graph. So for exporting, just beside this graph, click here, export page. So this window will be open. Okay, so here I can change the location of the window, location of the this is the desktop, so desktop, and I will make it XRD of Geo. Okay, and I will take it to another place where I want to so I have a folder at my desktop as origin is exported file, and okay, so I have saved it. Now you can apply it and make it. If you want to see the preview, you can see and just okay it. Okay, so we will go to our exported file. So this is our origin exported file, so this is our image. This is our graph, exported graph. Okay, so here you can see, you can directly submit it, or you can make it, you can change the size of the picture by taking it to the PowerPoint. So I hope you got it, how to smooth the graph and how to export the graph in Origin Pro software. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.